Welcome to my travel channel. Today we're exploring one of the true gems of South Moravia, the magnificent Valtice Castle. Valtice Castle lies just a few kilometers from the Austrian border. It's one of the most beautiful Baroque residences in the Czech Republic. The castle was built in the 17th century by the powerful Lichtenštejnů family. They transformed an older Gothic fortress into a grand Baroque palace. The design was inspired by Italian architecture. You can see it in the elegant facades, wide courtyards, and richly decorated interiors. For almost 7 centuries, Valtice was one of the main residences of the Lichtenštejns. They were among the wealthiest noble families in Europe. Inside, visitors can walk through luxurious halls filled with original furniture and paintings. Every detail reflects the comfort and style of the Baroque aristocracy. One of the highlights is the Marble Hall, a masterpiece of frescoes, sculptures, and crystal chandeliers. The castle is surrounded by beautiful gardens and vineyards. Together with the nearby Lednicko Chateau, it forms part of the Lednicko-valtické cultural landscape. This entire area is listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a unique blend of architecture, art, and nature. Today, Valtice Castle is more than just a historical monument. It's a living cultural space, hosting concerts, wine tastings, and festivals throughout the year. It's one of the best places to experience the charm and elegance of South Moravia. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me on more journeys across the Czech Republic and beyond. See you in the next adventure.